So if this objective, if you have, and if you want to do job, or if anyone wants to do job, and
Mhm.
if this is the objective, definitely I'm telling you, in the journey you will expose yourself. I just started with Haldirams, and then again 2 3 months later I got a call from this Flipkart. I think I will be the first person, or even the very rarest of people you will find, who is like making their resume in first year. You should add it in your LinkedIn profile.
The next question is how you got placement in Flipkart. Was that off campus or on campus? Hello everyone, this is the first time I am doing podcast on this channel and the person I am calling is one of my alumni. He is having experience of 2.5 year in the field of food technology. Currently he is working in Flipkart. I asked several questions which maybe you are having in your mind if you are planning to opt for this course or if you are pursuing this course. Starting with why he opted for food technology, what we should learn throughout the 4 year of our college life, how to apply for the internships in the most effective way, and how he got placement in Flipkart, what was the recruitment procedure, and so on. All about his journey, experience, suggestions, and many more. So this video is fully packed with knowledge. So enjoy this podcast and learn something new through this video. And watch this video till the end because at the end I'm having one message. Make sure to check that out. But before that, here is the video. Hello bhaiya, how you are doing?
I'm good, Shans. Hope you are doing good.
Yeah,
And it's good to
uh,
see you smiling with a healthy body and healthy face.
thank you
So,
bhaiya,
yeah,
thank you.
everything is fine this side.
Okay
Great,
bhaiya.
great.
Okay, let's start with the introduction part. So introduce yourself.
Yeah, so my name is Anuna Mitra. I basically hail from Bhagalpur, Bihar. And I did my schooling from Bhagalpur, from Delhi Public School. So my schooling was from DPS Bhagalpur. Apart from that, after that, I went to Schweitz for my graduation, and then now currently I am in Flipkart since past 2.5 years
Okay,
working, and this is all about my short interview, like my introduction, sort of thing. Yeah.
amazing, amazing. Okay, I'm having a lot of questions for you, but confusions for a student like
Okay.
me. So,
Mm-hmm.
shall we start?
Great. Yes. I can. Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Please ask
Okay, so
questions.
let's get started. Starting with the first question, why you opted for BTech Food Technology, and why I'm asking this question because back in 2018, when I was there in my college at the time of counseling,
Hmm.
then I was looking for different course, but unfortunately the seats were not vacant. So I ended up opting for this course. And when I back to my hometown, in my nearby places, in my nearby locality, no one were knowing about this course. So what I am assuming in your case, the situation might be even more worse because that's the time of 2014. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, yeah. 4 years before you started your
Ha,
graduation.
2014.
Yes. So, uh, yeah, yeah. So I can completely relate with what you're saying. Like you are saying that the BTech food technology was completely new for you. Like, right. So, and like probably there would be very less people who would be doing BTech food technology
Bit of
from
food.
Betia, or for that case Patna, or for that case even Bihar. Okay. So, like still then, from past 4 years, like before 4 years, how I chose. So this is like very common question. Okay, because why I am saying this, because see, BTech food technology, even when I was like not knowing. Okay, I was also not aware much about that. Okay, there is some kind of theory, but yes, I was aware about the food technology. Okay, but I was not knowing that in food technology what kind of like courses are there, whether it is a BSc, whether it is a BTech. Okay, whether like how kind, what kind of career prospect will that this food technology will give me. Okay, this kind of things like we were not aware of. Okay, and probably during our first year, or when we are starting our year, the graduation time, we are not much aware about these things. So that was even for me. Okay, but there is a little bit of history about it, because I opted for biology in 12th. Okay, and then my career, like I wanted to shape my career in medical field. Okay,
Medical field,
now
yeah.
then coming to a general category, and like, yeah, and then like targeting to the government MBBS college is like something like mirage to me. Okay, it is something that a dream that like could come true, or like it would be like okay someday or somewhere. So that was like the starting of my 12th, if you say so, or starting of my career. So I opted for biology. Later I like cracked 3 to 4 competitive exams. Like I also cracked Bihar agriculture. I also was like in good numbers for my this NEET exam. That was the first NEET that happened in government of India, by the
Okay.
government of India. But and then also
In
like I was having good score
2014,
amount like around 2013. Okay, so
13, NEET,
2013. Yeah, 2013 NEET started first time,
NEET started.
and that time also we were not much aware about like what will be the pattern, because before that we were having AIPMT, All India
AIPMT,
Pre-Medical Test.
yeah, yeah.
So from there, that yeah, so from AIPMT to NEET, then from NEET to BTech Biotechnology, from BTech Biotechnology to BSc Agriculture, from BSc Agriculture again to BTech Food Technology. So this was the
Okay.
transition that happened for me. Yeah. So just to summarize about what I said till now. So from my
Uh-huh.
intermediate to my graduation first for my admission in SHUATS. So basically, I actually searched for 3 to 4 different courses, and just
Okay.
the objective was to attain a job, okay, or to even seek for a master's scopes. Okay, so this was my two things, that
Okay.
after this graduation I will take a degree, which degree will help me in taking a good and handsome job. Okay, first thing. And see, job, every course will give you a good job. Okay, but the thing is the level of like the as early as possible that job could like you can get. So that kind of opportunity I wanted to have.
That is important.
Like yeah, see, if you will do anything you will get. No one is like no one will sit like empty pocket till his or her death. Okay, so that is a like truth that everyone lives with. Okay, but I wanted to have a job where like I would like get as early as possible after my graduation. And the second thing,
Yes.
if I pursue any master's degree, or if I have some
Uh-huh.
amount of government hand in that, like I can even go with some government jobs as well. So that was my two
Okay.
key objectives
Uh-huh.
by which I was targeting one specific department. So then I found out okay, if I take BTech Food Technology. Okay, so the
Uh-huh.
very basic cheese, roti kapda makan. So it's like a basic thing for me. So
Uh-huh.
kapda and makan and roti will never end. Okay,
Never end, never end.
food is the essential part, right? So that is why I
Huh.
started with the food processing business. Okay, so food processing studies, food processing course. So then I went on Google. I searched BTech Food Technology, BSc Food Technology. Okay,
Okay.
I read about all the
Uh,
things. I read about the colleges. I read about the future scopes. Okay, and even then I read about what are the companies which hire food technologists. Then I got to know about the multiple number of multiple companies that are there, being it Pepsi, or being it a very small company, being it a very large company. And at that time, let me tell you, this e-commerce was not the part. Okay, this came around in
okay.
2018, when everyone in India, only Big Basket was working before 2018 in groceries.
Okay. Groceries. Uh-huh. Hmm.
So only before that, even e-commerce were not the part of in the food business. Okay, so even I was not having that in my mind. Ki, okay, someday I will get something like this. But yeah, so now, but the scenario has changed. I was like not praying also for this scenario, but yes, that has changed, and now that has
Yes.
changed into something that in every scope of food technologist we have lot of vacancies in terms of private, professional, governments. Okay, so everywhere, even consultants. So there are multiple scopes how you can work. The only thing is you have to be like a bit aware, like you. So some kind of some kind of exposure in terms of going forward we will discuss.
Moving to the next question. What did you learn throughout the 4 year of your college life? Why I'm asking this? Because as I said, I was looking for different course, and after opting for this course, throughout the first year, I was just thinking what I'm doing, how I will do, why I'm doing this. So I wasted my first year like this only, which is not correct from my point of view. So what was your learning? What was your mistakes? And what we should learn throughout the 4 year of our college life?
See, what the basic thing that I would like really suggest all my juniors is like, once you take any course now, you should actually have the objective and you should have that clear cut concept about why you are taking that. Okay,
Yes,
like
yes.
I told you earlier that I wanted to have this because I wanted to do job. This was very clear. I
This
was
one.
not in the mood of doing any higher studies, or I was not like in the mood of pursuing MTech, then international or something,
Relatable to me.
because that was not my part. Okay, that was not my. Yes, so I wanted to do exposure sort of kind of thing. I wanted to this apply this job, like apply this knowledge in my practical world. Okay, I didn't wanted to have this theoretical kind of only knowledge.
Ha.
That is good for few people, that is not good for few people.
For
So
few
it
people.
depends
Ha.
upon multiple person, but
Personal
the basic
preference.
thing remains the same. Okay, the baseline is the same. See, whenever you are like coming to the in any course, may it be food technology, may it be pharmacy, anything. Okay, you should have that clarity why you are taking this first thing. Okay, now coming to the second part, what we have learned. Okay, so see, learning, there is no end. First thing, why I am being very clear. Okay, I'm not diplomatic, because if you will ask me in 15 minutes what you have learned, okay, that will be like very unjustful for me to tell you. Okay,
Yes,
because
yes.
it's a journey. Okay, this
Ha.
4 years, any if any person, if you, even if I'll ask you, so okay, this college life is a journey. Okay, everyone leaves it in terms of many things. Okay,
Ha.
and in everything you will get some knowledge. It is not that you are only focusing about BTech food technology or something APFE course or something. It is not about that. It is about, you know even you can learn from your friends, even you can learn from the colleagues, even you can learn
Colleagues.
from your teacher, professor, everyone. Okay, so learning part, if you ask me, yes, I have learned a lot. Okay, I was the part of a few of the clubs. Okay, and even I was part of few of the societies where I worked
Okay.
with some good people. Okay,
Okay.
and they were good friends of mine, and they were good classmates which I had, and they actually helped me out. Okay, in a healthy competition. Okay, and then we were having a group of 5 6 people. We were always hanging out, going here and there in every college. Okay, we were exploring
Okay.
things, lot of things we have explored. Okay, and basically learning part, yes, because Schwartz give you a lot of time, honestly. Okay, so you have Saturday Sunday whole time. Okay, so you can learn great things if you are actually like, if you want to learn, you can learn. Nowadays, see, people are more into virtual things. In my era also, no, we were not into that much virtual. Now, like, since we have the
Agree.
necessity, we have developed ourselves into a virtual thing and everything. So see, learning part, yes, definitely lot of learning in terms of food. Okay, lot of learning in terms of concept, because in our college we have got lot of conceptual things. To be very frank, the knowledge of the baseline of the, there were very good professors. Okay, even Janita member there, and even everyone. Matlab, I will not even I will not even highlight single person. But
Single.
yes, but everyone, like everyone is like totally. I appreciate, because in my career part, everyone has contributed. I will not say ki this has contributed more, that has not. But yes, learning part, anyway, like it depends on person
Person
to
to person.
person in how you are like learning it. Yes, person to person, plus how you want to shape your career in coming 4 years. Okay, that will help you in shaping your learning towards that thing. If someone wants to become a good badminton player, okay, definitely he will not study there in college. He will go for in the field. He will go on the badminton court. He will work with Wesley. He will work with anyone else. Okay, he will he will give his best in badminton. Okay, so
Yeah.
basically it is about, okay, he wants to become a badminton player. If I have to become singer, or I have to be a good debate person, I'll go to literary club Schwartz. Okay, I'll go and I'll take group discussion. I'll go and I'll do some debate kind of thing. Okay, so basically, there are everything in our college. The only thing is where you want to go. This is very clear. Everything is there. You want to go in what field, you have to decide, and then you can shape your journey. That's it.
Yeah. Amazing. Amazing experience. Okay, coming to the next question, how to apply for the internships in the most effective way? What I'm observing nowadays, what others are doing, they are just creating profile on LinkedIn and just sending requests to different people for the connection request and all. But this is not the correct approach from my point of view, at least. So, from your point of view, what is the correct approach for the internships in the top companies?
Uh, yes. So first of all, definitely one LinkedIn and WhatsApp group. Creating one group and doing this. But the more you create groups, the more you are like exposing yourself into some kind of fake informations and fake news. Okay,
Yeah.
you should have a directory where you are having a good amount of information. Okay, you should have a good connect. Second thing, third thing, you yourself should be aware about what kind of trend is going right now. See, right now food processing sector, we are growing in food processing, I'm not telling that, but yes, currently we are this processing sector has stopped because of this corona manufacturing basically. So
Ah,
we are not producing much, but yes, we are producing in some amount of some kind of different variant. Currently fruits and vegetables is in high. You should actually understand the trend. Okay, कि what kind of trend is currently India going with. Okay, even
okay.
what you can think of is like which kind of company is growing right now. You should also have some business news information about okay which kind of company you can target. For example, if for that case take PepsiCo. Okay, if PepsiCo is growing too fast, okay, definitely you will have some amount of some kind of opportunity there. Okay, but if a company which is not working so good in terms of processing, in terms of producing, in
Ah,
terms of exporting or importing things, okay, definitely they will have some kind of gap. That is why they are not working that good, yeah, that great. Okay, so see, these kind of things does play a good role. But yes, first thing is like you should have that connection. Okay,
connect. Okay.
the connection in terms of you should have alumni connect. You should have groups of people who are good in field, in their companies and everything. You should have LinkedIn. Definitely it helps. Okay, but you should also go with right now. I always tell people the way use Instagram and WhatsApp, you should use Naukri.com and LinkedIn. Okay,
Okay.
so this is the base thing that I say everyone. In your starting phase, okay, or whenever you are into training or something, you should have this bread and butter every time. And your bread will be Naukri.com and your bread butter will be this LinkedIn and everything. Okay, you should not, even a single day should be not missed. Okay, without
Okay.
using this LinkedIn, Naukri, you know and but I will suggest not to go with Shine. Okay, but Naukri and LinkedIn should be your bread and butter. Okay, you should always search there. You should always search there. In LinkedIn we have a special column of LinkedIn learning. From there you can even earn and learn your you can have the certification courses as well. Okay, and in I'll tell you one thing. It
Certificate
is
plays a
like
role
some kind of
at the time of
yes,
placement.
certificate do plays a role. No, in not in time of placement. That too depends upon which kind of company you are actually
Okay.
focusing, and which company is there for which you are giving the interview. Okay, so for the company like Amazon, Flipkart, or Walmart, or a big company like PepsiCo or someone, they do, the HR do check the competency. Even the interviewer who interviews you, they do check the, okay, if I'm taking him in a production line, does he have the knowledge of HACCP? Does he know how to manage people? Does he understand what is team building? Okay,
Team building, teamwork.
any kind of, yeah, any kind of role he has done in terms of leadership. These kind of thing is basic. Okay, but this does play a role. Okay,
Okay.
so that is why I'm telling certification is important, trainings is very important, intensive hands-on training, on-job training. These does play a role. Okay, these have a 30% of contribution in your CV, and 70% is your knowledge about the course that you're going with.
Does CGPA plays a role at the time of at the time of recruitment, especially for the off campus?
No, off campus may, I don't think, like in my experience I have not seen any CGPA role in. But
Off
yes,
campus.
at least you should actually cope up with the eligibility part. Like for
Okay.
example, ITC or some good companies, what they do, they keep eligibility of 8.2, 8.3 CGPA. At least you
Okay.
should have that 8.2 CGPA, only then we will interview you. No matter you are having a good knowledge or what, they will not say that, or they will
Okay.
not
Okay.
even consider that. But you should have that basic
At
8.2,
least.
8.3 parameters to be fulfilled. Okay, so these kind of
Okay.
thing, it comes. But again, in off campus, or if you have some good connection in the industry, and when you
Uh,
are going, it doesn't much play a role. Okay, but yes, it looks good when you have 8.5, 8.7.
uh,
But yes, 8.5 to 8.7 is a good way. Like, it is not also good to have 9.8, to be
uh.
honest.
Why is it so?
Why I'm saying 9.7, because if you were like 9.7 out of 10,
Uh,
means you have done your graduation in a way that like, in
you are
a
knowing
way like
everything.
it is like too much,
Uh,
almost to everything. But
uh,
we know that what are the marking methods, what are the ways which we give the exam, what kind of things are coming. So see, graduation, it is not that it is a simple graduation. Okay, graduation has a big part, that is a baseline for your career and even for your future, and that knowledge will remain. Apart from calculus, everything like is actually working. Okay, so see, 9.7 is not that great, but if you are also having that, I will appreciate that. But yes, I think the best and the safest is 8.5 to 8.7.
oh,
Yeah.
amazing.
And the second thing, what you told, that how to how to enroll it in the internship part.
Internships
So
in
that
top
is what I will
companies.
tell. Yes, yeah,
Uh,
in top companies, you should have a good CV first thing, and that good
okay.
CV will come with a good amount of exposure in your BTech, okay, or in BSc, and you should have a good amount of seminars attended. You should have good skills, good achievement in terms of you have done many competitions, you have won something. So extracurricular activities plus curricular activities
Uh,
will sum up your CV first thing. Okay,
okay.
so any
Okay.
good company will, first step is the CV shortlisting. Okay, so your CV will be shortlisted first, only then they will interview you, only then they will get to know you, that what kind of person you are. But before that, no one is knowing anything. Okay, so what
Uh,
about you will be your CV or your resume.
is
Okay,
everything.
so yeah, so basically that plays a role. So you should have a good resume, which will have a good amount of exposure. When a HR or when an interviewer sees your CV or resume, they should know it. Okay, you
Okay.
will go with
Okay.
9.8, 9.9. Okay, nothing else. Okay, so
Uh,
what all things you have done? Nothing. 9.8, that will not work. They want people who can become a leader. Okay, who can
okay.
even
Okay.
make other people learn few things, and they should also go with them. Say, okay, that kind of person they want. And that kind of person will come only when you are getting exposed with certain things, and you are into some things. Okay, so that will come when you are doing BTech also, side by side you are also into some social responsibilities side by side. I'm not telling that you should do it. Okay, but ultimately your CV will have all the flavors.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so basically
That's the
that is
main
the
objective.
that is the, yeah, that is the intent of why I am telling all this. Okay, and I'm not actually promoting that you should go with extracurricular activities and you should leave your studies. That's not the
No.
part. You should do everything. Okay, but the thing is, you should learn every aspect. It's not that you have to only go and do the lab part. You have to study bakery technology only, confectionery, nothing else. Nothing is in and around this food technology only. This is food and food. You have to learn some soft skills. You have to learn some basic debate essays. Go learn, expose yourself. Okay, so that is what is your college life goals. Is your how to reach to a level where your CV will be your mirror. Okay, so anyone, if anyone sees, even a small company also sees, no, your objective should be जहां भी मैं अपनी resume को डालूं, ठीक है, that he or she should select me. May it be a
Okay.
bada company, may it be a lala company, may it be a MNC.
All right.
Okay, so that should be the objective, that wherever I put my CV or resume, he or she should select me, seeing my resume. So if this objective, if you have, and if you want to do job, or if anyone wants to do job, and if this is the objective, definitely I'm telling you, in the journey you will expose yourself doing everything. But
Okay.
again, in hashtag, don't spoil your knowledge in terms of food technology. That is important.
The next question is how you got placement in Flipkart. Was that off campus or on campus?
No, this was off campus.
Off campus. Okay. So what they are looking for? What was the recruitment procedure?
At that time, they were actually starting grocery in Mumbai in 2018. So that was the second, or I think, okay, the third. So that was the third site for Flipkart in grocery business, in warehouse supply chain. So they were starting Mumbai site, and I was at that time I was in Delhi working with Haldirams. So and before that, only 5 months was there. So I did my graduation on May 2018. I joined Haldiram. Then I went for five months, almost 5 months after that I was there, and then I joined this Flipkart on November 22 November 2018. I joined Flipkart. So
Okay.
at that time, that was a Diwali period, okay, and I was working in my this office in Haldirams, and in
In Haldiram.
Diwali, sweets and confectionery is on high level, on high demand. So at that time, I got a
Okay.
call. So basically, they were searching for a person who is good in leading team, okay, who was good in having some good knowledge about computer, who can actually work on MS Excel and MS PowerPoint, okay, who should have a good knowledge of compliance audits, okay, who can actually work with a team size of 3 to 400 people. So see, all the things that they wanted to was being done with me. Like, I was the food technologist. I was like handling 2 to 300 approximately team. Okay, I was at that time I was good
Okay.
with tech.
What you were doing in Haldiram?
I was in quality executive.
Quality executive. Interesting.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
So that time I was there.
And the duration?
So 3 to 4 months it was there. Like, I just started, and
Okay.
then I just started with Haldirams, and then again 2 3 months later I got a call from this Flipkart. So that is what I'm telling you. There was one lunchtime in Diwali, and I was just searching with my Naukri and LinkedIn, and
Okay.
just
Okay.
I
Okay.
used to apply everything, whatever I used to
Acha.
get, I used to apply. So in that application, didn't used to. I used to, like, open 3 to 4 times in a day. I still remember that time. So uh, and one thing that I have not shared, like, uh, I think I will be the first person, or even the very rarest of people you will find, who is like making their resume in first year. Okay, and I was in the Naukri.com first year of my career when I started my BTech to Tech first. So
Oh,
in
amazing.
2014. So that time I started, though it is like a bullshit kind of thing, but yes, I did it. When I did it slowly and gradually, right now, people will make, whenever you will make your resume, no, very slowly, company starts identifying you. Okay, your CV
Okay.
will float very slowly. Okay, and that time when I started, and in 2018 when I graduated, till that time my CV actually floated with a good amount of companies. Okay, so when my graduation ended, I started getting lot of calls. Okay, so
Okay.
at that time, yeah, so that was one thing. So that is why I'm telling, Naukri and LinkedIn should be your bread and butter. Okay, so so simultaneously, yeah, that was a very common day for me. And when I started and I applied for Flipkart, and by by God's grace, that call came. Okay, and when then
Okay.
that call came, I was like working, and from working only, work area only, I started giving my interview. Okay, they were asking a lot of questions and all about food safety, food, food awareness and everything, food culture. Okay, so food quality. So I started giving them, and then I was having one hands-on experience with Haldiram's. So that way it went down. So and then
Okay.
they offered me, and then I went to Mumbai. So from Mumbai, then now I am in Lucknow. So again I got transferred to Lucknow, and now Lucknow
Okay.
also we have started. Yeah, so in Lucknow also we have the groceries of Flipkart. So yes, it's like that way.
So what is the role in Flipkart?
So currently here also I'm like handling quality department. So
Supply
here we
chain.
have a supply chain process. Yeah. So even in mass, if you pursue my MBA, you can also have supply chain management and all. So that is also a very booming, very booming area where you can, work, and you can even after doing your MBA, you can get a good amount of job with a handsome salary.
Oh,
Yeah.
amazing. So what are the skills they were looking for?
Yeah, that is what I tell you. No, they wanted a guy who is not much experienced. Okay,
Okay.
amount of MS Excel, MS PowerPoint knowledge, basically a computer knowledge. Okay,
Okay.
who can lead team. Okay, who should
Team. Okay.
have
Okay.
who should have a good knowledge about setting up how to set up a new lab. Okay, new lab.
Okay.
When I'm saying new lab, I was also not having that experience, but I was knowing ki if a lab will set up, what kind of things will be there. There will be some equipments. There will be one log. There will be this. There will be that. So that kind of thing. So I was knowing whatever I was knowing. I just delivered them. Okay. So basically, and the food safety team came and they asked about food safety culture, HACCP, HACCP, HACCP. Okay, lot kind of that
Okay.
kind of things, and what does quality does. Okay, what kind of this, and they started giving me some kind of questions also. Okay,
Okay.
that okay, what will be this? What do you understand by food degradation? What is food hazard? What is food adulteration?
Okay.
Okay,
They
how
were
you
asking
can
these
identify
questions.
adulteration? Yeah, yeah. They do ask question. Okay, there are that time though very less people were there in food department in Flipkart. Currently,
Okay.
in my knowledge, everyone is like now a food technologist in Flipkart. So we have a team of 3 to 500 people who is working on
Okay.
on on job. So in Flipkart, who is a food technology background. So that time, too, very few people were there, but now many people are like coming up, and that is good for us, good for food technologist. So yeah, that is it.
Okay. 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 So there are other posts also for the BTech food technologist.
So Shams, yeah, yeah. So just going to your question before that, the thing that you told about the skills, na. So basically, skills are the same like in every companies. They want a people who is like who can lead team. Okay, who is good with computer knowledge. Okay, and who has the subject knowledge, who has a good subject
Okay.
knowledge, not
Okay.
in a expert manner, but yes, a good amount of knowledge. Okay,
Okay.
okay, acceptable level kind of thing. Okay, and then who can lead team, who can work with people, with low people and high people. When I'm telling low people means low grade people like laborers or all. It's not low grade, but yeah, in terms of terminology they are a laborer. Okay,
Okay.
and but ultimately they are humans, so that is like that way. So the skills, basically every company almost the same skill, and a bit of communication is like required. Yeah,
Communication skills.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Now you can continue with your next question.
So this is the only post in Flipkart for BTech food technologist.
So BTech food technology, currently there is no as such post kind of thing. Okay, like in food industry we have food processing expert who will go with food processing. Okay, then we will have lab assistant who will go, he'll work with lab, some
Lab.
microbiologist and all. That kind of thing we don't have. What we have is quality team, we have a compliance team, we have a operation team. Okay, so in
Okay.
every team currently we are hiring food technologists. In
Okay.
operations
Okay.
also, if you are like in processing sector, you will have a people who will know, who should know and understand what is food hazard, how you should handle food in a manner that should not impact customer health. So that kind of knowledge every department should have. So in
Okay.
groceries or in supply chain in Flipkart, we don't even we are not into that. Okay, only three posts we have for food technologists. If
Like
people are
that.
coming in 90 also in operations, and if they are food technologists, we will take them. Okay,
Okay.
so that kind of
Okay.
thing is like, because in groceries, and from the time Walmart has invested in us, from there the compliance is like too great. Okay, so
Okay.
currently we are like into lot of vacancies. I would say lot of vacancies are there. You should actually go with Naukri and LinkedIn page of Flipkart. You should go and
Flipkart.
you should
Okay.
actually, yeah, you should add it in your LinkedIn profile.
Uh
Okay,
huh.
and you
Uh huh.
will get lot of lot of updates about Flipkart. And from Naukri also, you should go and follow that Naukri page also for Flipkart. So from
Okay.
there you will
Definitely, I
get
will do
updates
this.
for the, yeah, for the job updates you will get. Whenever any vacancy will come, you will get it.
And if you're watching, you will also do this. Yeah.
Great. Yes, yes. I would
Ah.
request everyone to do that. Yeah.
Yes. 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 All right. So for your juniors, those who are watching till now, any message for them?
See, I would actually, tell them that they are very lucky, okay, because they are into a field where that will never end, okay. That might change their face, that the the job role might change, but the need will never end. That food will never end, okay. So
Okay.
everyone out there who is in BTech first year, or who is like even now graduated, or who is working, everyone of us, even me, are very fortunate to have this course in our area, because people, I understand people are still not getting much job, okay, because we are
Uh-huh.
searching a job in processing sector, in food industry. But currently the scenario has changed. You should go with Big Basket, you should go with Grofers, you should go with Flipkart, any company, any
Okay.
e-commerce company, I would say, okay. Currently we are into search, okay. Currently
Okay.
we are the job bearer, job giver.
Because there are a lot of negativity also about the job opportunities for the food technologists.
I understand. In my phase also, we were having lot of rumors, and even that was not a rumor. That is a kind of reality also, because if you are graduating with a BTech and you are getting a job of 11 to 12,000 salary, okay, that is like something that you would actually not appreciate. Even your family or even you would have not appreciate. Okay, so that is one thing that even I also feel bad about. But now the scenario has changed a bit after this COVID, and this food has boomed to something else. In terms of e-commerce, definitely I would say that we do have a great opportunity. Okay, we have a great opportunity in e-commerce, and in every field, in every every people or every junior who is like contacting me, I tell them you should actually try e-commerce. No matter, you should go with quality also, you can go with operations, you can go in
Okay.
any field, okay, but you should go with e-commerce now. Stop working with processing part and quality lab, and going sitting in lab and just doing
I'm
PPT
also
and
interested
just
in this
making
field only.
microculture and all. Yeah, yeah. So microculture, I don't actually appreciate people working on microorganism and do that to this and taking 12,000 and sitting at home. So that is not what I want. It's not that key right now I'm in Flipkart. That is why I'm giving so much of jam. That was my part. Why I initiated at that time 2018. Even I was also not, when I went to Mumbai and the whole journey. I was like, I'm not sure, man. Why Flipkart? How Flipkart is hiring and why Flipkart is hiring food technology. Okay, I was not aware actually. He food technologist will, like, I could work with Flipkart, who is a e-commerce who works on basically techie tech kind of thing. Why they will hire food technologist? Now, if you will ask me, I would tell you thousand reasons why we want food technologists. Very fortunate. So every junior who is watching this or who is hearing, I would tell you, you are in a safe hand in terms of pursuing BTech food technology or even BSc food technology. Okay, but
Okay.
you should actually look forward for e-commerce kind of thing or supply chain basically, because that has currently, that is the new era where you can work with. So you will find number of opportunities. Okay, yeah. So that is it about the message.
All right. You answered all the questions very gently, very humbly,
Yeah, yeah.
and very effectively.
No,
I
no.
have to say
Actually,
that.
your questions were too good. Okay, your questions were very much
Thank you.
logical also, and very realistic to the current scenario. How,
Yes. Yes.
and with the question were having that objective. Okay, you are facing something. Okay, and you are having some kind of issues. How to find things, how to do things. So that is what the takeaway. If you want me to summarize, is the Naukri, the LinkedIn, surfing every single day like your bread and butter. Make your resume in a way that it should actually impress everyone, Okay, you should have a good amount of journey presented in your resume. Okay, you should have good amount of subjective knowledge in your subject. Also, you should have a good skill in terms of communication. And then when I'm telling communication, I don't want you to be a Shakespeare or kind of a Wordsworth kind of a people
Uh-huh.
person. But yes, at least you should have some kind of good, some fluency. Okay, even if you're not having, that is also not bad. You can speak in Hindi, but you should have the clarity of thoughts is what people are asking for. ओके, आप
Okay.
हिंदी में बात करो। एक बहुत अच्छे शायर है जिन्होंने कहा कि कौन सी बात कब कहाँ कैसे कही जाती है, ये ये सलीका हो तो हर बात सुनी जाती है. So if you
बिल्कुल
if you
बिल्कुल.
have that kind of, yeah, if you have that kind of thought, how to speak, how to present things with like in front of people, so you will take it up. Yeah, matlab, I'm telling you, matlab, it's not that tough to even crack a job in fresher also, and that we many of us have done it. So it's like that is it about, like, I will not say much. These are the 3 4 things that I think you should actually take away from this.
Okay, भैया. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you, Shreyans. Thank you for this. Thank you so much.
So this is all about his journey, experience, guidance. So comment down below which part you like the most and also like this video. And now let's come to the message part. From next time, if I will call someone like this, then at least 1 week before I will let you know on my LinkedIn profile. By doing this, you may also add your questions, queries, and I will pick up the most frequently asked questions, and maybe I will also update on my community post. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified. Till then, take care guys. Bye.